Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. It has brand new rear tires. The deck has been painted. It's been sanded down and repainted. It's in very good operating condition. The spindles are tight and everything operates as it should. Got a 20 horsepower Kohler Command engine. Starts up and it runs and operates well. The gas tank, it's about a 5-gallon gas tank. This is the console. The key switch, blade engagement, choke, throttle, and your speed control. The hydro pumps are in good operating condition. They work as they should, and the hydraulics are in very good shape. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.